Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Nilda Elizabeth Aquino Quispe. Comenzamos con el diálogo. Hello, my name is Nilda Aquino. Nice to meet you. Hi, Nilda. My name is Adrian. Nice to meet you. Can you tell about your previous work experience? Yes, of course. Did you raise her? Um, yes, I was this administration assist in rest of last year. What's were your responsibility there? I as well of organizing documents and assisting layers with legal. It's also manager that affects and helps clients. What skill do you develop? And development, comunicación, screen, develop, and organizing is bigger. In with 9 people every day. What about you? The five previous jobs just was and just service the bar. What did you do? It is use software programs and prepare reports and if it's helps the team and their post to work and press. What are your current responsibilities? Current in students, labs, I work part in time, hardware, meals, organization, education. What do you do now? I am like a student and folks my class and complete academic project. What professional what professional means to you helps? I am responsible organize hardware and you. I am Prince actual responsible. What skills important in your profession? Comunicación y kits important because I was work with my people. Um, Thank you for sharing your experience. Thank you. This was nice. Thank you.